BBN Global, Samartha Brahman, Samruddha Brahman, Sampanna Brahman, Global Network of Brahmin Business Entrepreneurs. BBNG is a business networking platform for Brahmin entrepreneurs. The ultimate aim is not just to show how to start, but also how to grow enterprises to reach across international boundaries. Our visionary president, Mr. Shripad Kulkarni, had a dream that the Brahmin community be known as a business community across the world. Keeping that purpose in mind, he started a business networking platform, BBNG, in the year 2012 on Facebook. BBNG is a registered Section 8 company with a board of directors. It has as its president Shripad Kulkarni, as its vice president Mukund Kulkarni, as director of branding Madhura Kumbhejkar, and as director of development Arvind Korhalkar. As its associate directors, BBNG has Mr. Sanjay Londe from Ashoka Buildcon, Mr. Vivek Deshpande from Rudrani Infrastructure, Mr. Abhay Sakhre, and Mr. Gurudat Tongaonkar. In the capacity of Joint Secretary, BBNG has Mr. Shashank Shende, Mr. Uday Soman, and Mr. Mahesh Deshpande. Bringing to you BBNG's organizational structure, which comprises the board of directors, the associate director, the joint secretary, the regional director, the development coordinator, the office bearer, the working committee, and finally the member in that vertical order. Today, BBNG has branched out into more than 25 chapters in India and one each in Dubai and Australia, which has set the ball rolling to give BBNG a truly global character. Indranagar Nasik, Gangapur Road Nasik, Nasik Road, Real Estate Nasik, Thane, Dombivli, Borivali, Vileparle, Kalyan, Pen, Panvel, Ambernath, Titwala, Baroda, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Deccan, Warze, Aundh, PCMC, Pune, Sangli, Karad, Satara. At BBNG, meeting one another is the key. The regular weekly meetings give entrepreneurs a chance to showcase their business. Breakfast meetings end with an opportunity to build network and share references. Structured weekly meetings are conducted in each chapter, which helps strengthen the bond amongst members. Yearly chapter activities. Guest speakers are invited to BBNG's weekly meetings to speak and share their expertise and life stories on the following areas: Zero to Hero, Waves, Generation Next. Greet Bhet is the concept of inviting a very successful, acclaimed, and renowned business entrepreneur to address the members. Cluster meetings with other chapters are organized on a regular basis. Ground and online exhibitions are also a regular feature. B2B events with reputed industrial houses. BBNG organizes an annual international conference which witnesses the presence of up to 1,000 business entrepreneurs from India and abroad. This yearly international conference witnesses the presence of esteemed guests and dignitaries from the world of business who are invited and are a part of the event. This conference gives an opportunity to members to interact with these high-profile, globally acclaimed and recognized business entrepreneurs. If you become a paid member of BBNG, you get to enjoy these types of benefits. You get to attend weekly chapter meetings and cross-chapter cluster meetings. Besides, there are other benefits like priority referrals to paid members, one-to-one meetings, business presentation slot in weekly meetings, free business and personality development workshops and seminars, JV and franchisee preference, and business promotion in events. BBNG's digital presence. BBNG's Facebook group page is called BBN Global Brahman Udyojak, which has more than 80,000 members. Its web portal is www.bbnglobal.net. It has over 80 working WhatsApp groups. It has a very prominent YouTube channel. It has an emphatic presence on Instagram, Twitter, and there's a special in-house app for paid members by the name of BBNG Mobile App. Paid members can use these platforms to advertise their business to the masses. These members give and receive references through social media platforms. BBNG Wings. The Women's Wing, which is exclusively dedicated to women entrepreneurs. The Farmers Wing, for businesses in the agriculture sector. The Yuva Wing, for young, budding and future entrepreneurs. BBNG Initiatives. Deepastambha. Under this initiative, interviews of successful entrepreneurs are regularly uploaded on BBNG's YouTube channel. Prive Circle, for elite and select entrepreneurs. BBNG Activities. Training sessions for paid members throughout the year. Bloggers Group. BBNG at a Glance is a monthly digital magazine. In the chaotic crowd of associations, BBNG stands apart because it shows how mutually beneficial results can be created when the pursuit of profit is balanced with the interdependent needs of individuals, the community, and the nation. Join us today if you want to make a mark as an entrepreneur and if you want your business to be known in reputed communities.